Hey guys, it's Tommy Tool here, and this is my first video. Today we're gonna see together how to clean our air conditioning system. We're gonna remove all the dust and bacteria, so we're gonna transform it from this to this. So we're gonna clean the inside unit to make it healthy for yourself, to your family and your friends too, by removing all the dust with the bacteria which are bad for your health. In order to be safe, you'll need a pair of gloves for the dust contact with your hands, glasses for eye protection from the dust and tools, and a mask with a filter to prevent anything come to your lungs. In this video, I'm going to use a garden sprayer, which is a water pump that throws the water with a lot of pressure. That will help us a lot to remove the dust from the inside. So, in order to start, yeah, much better. Also, remember to put away anything electronic nearby. With the magic of editing, boom, that was fast. Finally, don't forget to remove the plug from the socket to be safe from electrical danger. At this point, don't forget to remove the motor attached to the louver and the wires connected to the electric board, so we can safely remove the outlet part. After I removed all the plastics outside, I like to clean some of the dust with my vacuum cleaner before washing the inside. This process makes washing easier. In order to gather all the waste coming from the AC, I like to use a typical dust cover folded to a belt so I can attach it to the AC, and a bowl to gather all the dirty water. In order to clean the inside, water is not enough. Personally, I use green soap, about that much, and I fill the container with hot water. the outlet part, you can see the dirt coming from the inside of the AC. I put some tape to the wires so we can do our job easier. Do not forget to watch out for the electric panel. Use a brush and a toothbrush to hit the hidden and difficult parts. Don't forget to put back the motor again and every wire that we have disconnected before. Due to the fact that plastics often break, I like to hold the parts together with some tape. And that was it, guys. We are done cleaning the inside unit, everything is connected properly, and we are at the last step before testing the AC. And that is, connect the plug to the socket, bring the curtains back, and remove our gloves. So with everything connected, we should open the AC to see if everything is good. So let's try it. Beautiful. And just to be sure about the process, I have set it to 20 degrees Celsius and we can see that it is working really good with less noise. So thank you guys for watching the video. I will upload more videos. Give me your ideas what to fix. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment and tell me if it was a useful tutorial and if you made it fixing your own AC. And see you guys in the next video.